I'm getting ready to make brownies again. Instead of last time I made Dubai chocolate brownies, I'm gonna make chocolate crunch brownies because I still have a half a bag or less than half a bag of Ganache left. So instead of pistachio cream, I'm gonna do peanut butter and the tahini to make the peanut butter a little more smooth. So, and I am gonna use my little, what do you call this? Mini loaf pan again because I love the shape, how it turned out. Just Duncan Hines is my favorite, the milk chocolate one. Just need 2 eggs, water, vegetable oil. Just gonna follow the directions on the box. I'm gonna get that whipped up real quick. I'm gonna use the least amount cooking time, 20 to 23 minutes, because since it's spread out in a longer pan, it will take less time to cook. Last time I had some batter left over. This time I just filled them a little more because I didn't want to make the extra effort of cooking the extra batter separately. I hope they don't get too high because I still want to use the same mold to put the other 2 layers on it. We'll see. Here is the rest of the Ganache. I'm going to Ganache. I think I said that wrong. Danny later. Anyway, I put 2 tablespoons of butter in the pan. Once that melts, I will add the rest of this. Takes about 8-10 minutes to brown. I really was trying to use the rest so I could clear out my pantry. The pan is full and there's still like 2 handfuls left. So that bag went a long way. I'll just save this for another recipe, I guess. It's nice and brown. Now I'm gonna put it in a mixing bowl. All right, I'm just measuring this by my eyes. So I'm gonna put in a couple big scoops of peanut butter, like at least a cup worth. We'll start with that. And then I have tahini. I don't necessarily think for the peanut butter crunch balls it's necessary, but the peanut butter is good. I did buy this and I want to use it. I bought it for the Dubai chocolate. I'm trying to open it. I didn't use it. So I want to get some use out of it. There we go. If I can open it. And I'm just gonna give it a quick stir because like natural peanut butter, it will separate. Because tahini is, what is it, sesame seeds? Yeah, this one is sesame. Ground sesame. And I'm just gonna do like 2 spoonfuls. You can see it's a lot more liquidy than the peanut butter. In case I need more. Now I'm gonna mix that together. I gave the cats a midnight treat. It's not midnight, but I tend to give them a treat before I go to bed. I gave it to them early because they wouldn't leave me alone when I was trying to cook this. And I thought that meant they'd leave me alone. And they did for about 10 minutes. Now they're back. All right, it's gonna take me a couple minutes to get this good and stirred. I'll be back. All right, it looks really good. So I'm not gonna add any more peanut butter. I think the 3 spoonfuls, which was about a little over a cup of peanut butter. And then the tahini, that was probably 2 tablespoons that I used. So a cup of peanut butter and 2 tablespoons of tahini. Okay. A little taste test. Delicious. All right, now I'm gonna spoon some of the peanut butter crunch on top of each brownie. And it's okay. I know I made too much peanut butter crunch, but that's fine because I will make peanut butter crunch balls out of it. I've done a video on that. My husband loved them, and we ate them. And I have plenty of milk chocolate to melt, so I can make more if there's extra crunch left, and I think there will be. So let me get this spread out. I've got the layer of the peanut butter crunch on. Now I'm gonna make a chocolate ganache, and it's a 1-to-1 ratio, so I'm gonna use 1 cup heavy whipping cream and then 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips, and this is my favorite brand. And then I do have some peanuts, so I am going to grind up some peanuts. I'm probably just gonna hand chop them and then sprinkle some on top. You can use your food processor. I use the food processor with pistachios, but it turned it into too much of a powder for my taste. So I've been using this heavy whipping cream for other recipes when I bought it for this. So I'm not for sure how much is left. So let's see if I even have a cup left. I have a little over a cup. I guess this was a 2-cup container. So that's fine. Now I'm gonna heat it in the microwave 30 seconds at a time because you want it to be nice and warm, not like bubbling, but nice and warm. And then I'll add a cup of the chocolate chips and stir it all together. All right, taste test on the peanut butter crunch brownies. Oh, good. I'll tell you what, the crunch is good, but that chocolate ganache, that chocolate ganache is really, really good. I like it. No, sorry, there's a cat. I'm being curious. No chocolate for you. I'm glad I made them.